Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can insert an image or photo into a cell, like for example a task cell here in your project sheets on Smartsheet. So let us dive right into it. So let's assume, for example, guys, you would like to attach an instruction as an image or photo in JPEG or PNG to a specific task on Smartsheet. So what you want to do is navigate to your project sheet. Let me go with this one here, my project. And basically, guys, simply right click into the given task, like this one here, software installation. And from that menu, simply hover your mouse over insert image. And after that, select your source like Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, Box, and so on and so forth, or your device. So click into upload a file here. After that, navigate to the given folder on your device. So let me find my channel logo for the sake of this tutorial and add it to your cell. As you can see now, it has actually replaced the task name. So that's basically it. That's how it works, guys. You may also right click into it, for example, and delete it by, let me just, here by clicking on clear contents. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.